Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to add, edit, and remove punch-in and punch-out records using the Edit in Timeline view in the OrangeHRM Attendance module. To begin, from the Attendance module, navigate to My Attendance sheet and locate the record you want to update. Click on the record to expand it, then select Edit in Timeline. This will open the Timeline view, where you can easily manage detailed punch records for that day. To add a new attendance record, click on the Add Record button. In the Edit Attendance Record screen, enter the date, time, and time zone. Pick a date from the calendar picker and enter the punch-out time. By default, the time zone is set to your location's standard time zone. You can change this and select a different time zone. Next, specify the record type by selecting Punch-in or Punch-out under the Status dropdown. Also, you can include an optional note for additional context. Once all details are entered, click the Add button to save the attendance record. To edit an existing punch entry, simply click on the attendance record you want to modify. You can adjust the date and time. Note that the previously added records have fixed time zones and cannot be changed. You can also change the record from punch-in to punch-out if needed. Click Update to save your changes. If any punch-in or punch-out records do not form complete pairs, the system will display a warning message. Unpaired records found. This helps ensure your attendance data remains accurate. To remove a punch record, select the entry and click Remove. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes, Remove. And that's how you add, edit, and remove punch-in and punch-out records using the Edit in Timeline view. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more, contact us at goldsupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.